Hey, Mom. Sorry, the school bus was late. Hi, Lucy. Take your backpack upstairs and don't forget to wash your hands. And I know. Wash your hands and get a snack, then get working on any homework. Mmm, something smells good. What's in the pot? What's for dinner? It's my secret recipe. I call it La Increíble Sopa del Día. L'incroyable soup de gira? That's not fair, Mom. You never taught me Spanish. Anyways, that soup smells amazing. I bet I can guess what's in it. All right, go ahead. There are 8 special ingredients: tomatoes, carrots, onions, and what else? Beans, mushrooms, cabbage, and it smells like some sort of curry. I can't think of another ingredient. Can I say water? No. Water is a given. For ingredients, I often think of a food item that is used with another food item to create a particular dish. Like la increíble sopa del día. Fine. Spicy peppers. Well, you've got 3 of the 8 ingredients correct. I did use mushrooms, carrots, and tomatoes. However, I used stalks of celery, 1 whole chicken, and 1 medium parsnip to help me create a better tasting broth. Then, 30 minutes after boiling all the ingredients in a pot, I added 1 bay leaf and 5 whole peppercorns. Wow, I would never guess peppercorns. You're an amazing chef. Thanks, Luce. Can you do me a favor and hand me the phone? We've run out of dinner rolls and I need your father to stop by the bakery and get some. What about butter, Mom? Do we have any more butter left? Oh, yes, that's right. We finished the butter last week when Grandma and Grandpa visited for dinner. Grandpa used the rest on his bread. I'll just have your father stop by the grocery store instead to pick up some dinner rolls and butter. I know how much you kids enjoy eating soup with a side of dinner rolls. Thanks, Luce. Now hurry on upstairs and put your things away. Time flies, and it will be dinner in no time. Okay. Hello, Susie. Hey, Dale. Could you stop by the Super K and pick up some dinner rolls and a container of butter? We're all out. Now it's time to answer the questions. If you need to listen to the dialogue again, please rewind the video. Take a look at the dialogue and fill in the blanks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.